Ijumaa Karim, happy Friday aliyese. Lelo tikupitiliza from our previous video kuti kodi ma investment ndijani ndipo ndrama zathu tingaike kuti. So tiyambira pa balance funds. Ma balance funds nawonso ndi opportunity yabwino yosungira ndrama. Izizi zimafunika kupanga invest for a minimum of 3 years kuti upange appreciate the capital growth of your investment. A portion of ndrama zako zimene umayika in a balance fund zina zimapita ku the stock market amagulira ma shares. So kwa anthu amene mwina simazinvesta zogula ma shares directly ndi a broker, this can be a good starting point for you kuti muone kuti kodi zimaenda bwanji, and then mukazinvesesa from a point of a balanced fund, then you can now say, okay, I think pano knowledge ndili nayo ndamvesesa kuti zimatani, let me start trading directly with Malawi Stock Exchange Market. You will receive my interest in my dividends. My dividends normally they are paid out either once or twice per year. It depends in the company mene mwagula ma shares yo kuti kupanga bwanji. So ma company ena akakhala kuti zili bwino amatha kunena kuti after 6 months tukufuna tilipire ma dividends. So it is also a good way kuti upange invest. Ma balanced funds, instead of saying kuti kaya muli ndi ma shares, what they do is they call them units. So ama upanga price per unit. So the more units you buy, the higher the returns. So find out with the institution imene muvange sign up with kuti by units awe iwo what is the price ndipo zimeenda bwanji. You have every right to ask this question so that they break it down for you. With some institutions you can earn up to an average actually of 27% per investment that you have put. Kandi 100,000, kandi 200,000. So please do ask these questions. Balanced funds, the minimum amount to invest is 50,000 kwacha. However, kumakhala a fee, and some financial institutions they charge 3%. So please check with them kuti what is their charge, so that mukamapanga plan my investment anu kuti kamuyamba ndi 50,000 per month mukhale muli aware kuti this company is going to charge me 3%, and 3% yawoyo amaicharge bwanji. You can withdraw your money, you can add more money when you want to. The next is my treasury bills. My treasury bills ndi iwe ukabwirika ndalama kwa boma. Okay, so the government is borrowing money from you. Ndezi mezi machitika boma lijali makhala ndikukambirana tikufunika ndalama. So timalize kandi bridge for example. Nde amakambirana anthu a economy aja ndi finance chanchani akakhala pasi, they come up and say okay, boma likufunika let's say 10 million kwacha. Nde 10 million ija amauza ma financial institution aja komanso they do make my announcements in my newspaper. If you follow business news, amanena kuti kuli ngongole iyi ikufunika kutani kupangidwa cover nde tikufuna tibwereke ndrama, so people will invest in that treasury bill. Kumakhala ya 91 days, 182 days ndi 364 days. So izizi mukabwereka aboma aja ndrama amakuza kuti ndrama ntiza kubwezerani ndi interest yakuti yakuti. So let's say for example pa 10 million paja you say kuti ine ndili ndi chani, ndili ndi 100,000 kwacha. Umayika 100,000 kwacha yako ija. And then kumakhala so anthu ena okuti ose akatolera ndrama ija yakwana amapasa aboma aja. Ndikuwauzana kuti niyo munanoti 10 million iyi muzayibweza kapa interest rate ya 30%. And then iwe umalandira your portion of that 30% interest. So and iyi ndi abwino because risk yake so imakhala very low. The chances of boma kupanga default are very very minimal in some countries. So do check on that. And then timalizila ndi ma treasury notes. This is also ngongole ya kuboma, or in some cases imakhala ma private companies. So again, boma limabwera ndikunena kuti tikufuna tibwereke kandi 1 billion kwacha, and then pamakhala a fixed interest rate and a fixed maturity period. So mwina amatha kukuzanena kuti okay, ndalama imene kubwerekayi boma lizabweza in 10 years, for example. Okay, because normally my treasury notes, they run between 2 to 10 years. So boma limatha kunena kuti koma mene zikuyendera zinthu panova ikhala ya, let's say 3 years. Okay, that's how it works. Ndeka khala kandi 3 years and amasonkhesa ndalama kwa anthu ambirimbiri ndikulibwereka boma lija ndalama, and then boma lija limakubwezera ni ndalama zanu, and then akamabweza mujaso amakupasa ni makupon. So makupon aja, it's twice a year. So let's say for instance you have signed up for a 10% interest ndi boma lichete. So ndekuti after, let's say unaibanga January, after 6 months umaandira kupon ya 5% ya ndalama yako ija, and then December uzaandira so 5%. Now my treasury bills and my treasury notes, they're a very good way of also maka kwa anthu amene akuti they are looking into retirement, for example, or just people who like soft life. Mutha kutenga izizi and space them up in such a way yonena kuti, let's say January mubanga sign up for a treasury note. I mean a treasury note. And then let's say in March you can sign up for another treasury note. And then you can sign up for another treasury note in June. So what that does is, remember you're receiving makupon kawiri pachaka. So if you have atatu, my treasury notes atatu, it means you're receiving 6 payments in a year. For every treasury note is going to give you 2 coupons per year. So you know, every 2-3 months I've got money coming in. Every 2-3 months I have money coming in. So zimapepusa even kwa anthu kuti mufuna ulipira kazi ngati ma school fees or any other unforeseen circumstances, you have that backup plan yonena kuti ndikulandira makuponi, that money is going to come in. So this is also very good for long-term investments. The risks are also very low and the returns are quite reasonable. So do look into it. Speak to your financial advisors at the bank or any other financial institution or insurance companies and see how best they can assist you. Thank you so much for tuning in and have an amazing weekend. Please remember to follow me. Thank you.